Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your personal inbox while staying within acceptable use. Pick a reputable temporary email service that clearly describes retention and privacy, then open a private browser window so caches stay minimal. Copy the generated address and paste it into the Microsoft Designer Sign-up email field. Once done, submit the form and watch for the verification message in the Temp inbox. These services often refresh automatically. Make sure to record any confirmation codes promptly because the address may expire. You now confirm and configure your Designer workspace. Find the verification email in the Temp mailbox and click the link quickly, since many expire in minutes or hours. Once verified, set a project name, choose a template, and tailor brand elements so templates render correctly. You'll also want to review privacy and sharing settings inside Designer. Disable unnecessary sync to other Microsoft services if your goal is compartmentalization. If Designer asks for a phone or extra verification, consider switching to a permanent account to avoid. You finish by securing your work and handling common issues. Immediately export or save critical designs to your device or cloud backup because temp-created accounts and inboxes can vanish. This preserves access. If the verification link times out, generate a new temp address and repeat verification, but if Designer blocks temporary domains, switch to a permanent email to comply with Microsoft's policies. If sign-up is prevented despite compliant behavior, contact Microsoft support through official channels and provide the minimal necessary details to resolve access problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.